Trust and Will Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Trust and Will, a user-friendly estate planning platform. Links to the product are provided in the description below for your convenience. Trust and Will offers a straightforward and affordable way to create a legally binding will, trust, and other estate planning documents online. It's designed for individuals who want to make sure their assets are handled according to their wishes, without the complexity and high costs of traditional estate planning services. The platform offers three main services: wills, trusts, and guardianship plans, making it a comprehensive solution for different needs. The process is very simple. Users can create their documents by answering easy-to-follow questions on the website. The entire process can be completed in under 30 minutes, depending on the complexity of your estate. The interface is clean, intuitive, and guides you through each step of the way, even for those with no prior knowledge of estate planning. Trust and Will provides state-specific legal documents, ensuring they meet local laws and regulations, which is a critical factor when it comes to making your will or trust legally valid. One of the main advantages of Trust and Will is its affordability. Their pricing is transparent with no hidden fees, and it's more budget-friendly compared to working with a lawyer. Additionally, Trust and Will offers access to experts for guidance throughout the process, which adds an extra layer of support. For individuals with more complex needs, Trust and Will also offers a comprehensive trust package. This feature is especially valuable for those who want to establish a living trust to avoid probate and protect assets from being tied up in court after death. Customer service is responsive and available through email or live chat, ensuring that you can get help if needed. Overall, Trust and Will is a great option for those who want to create a will or trust quickly, easily, and affordably. Whether you're just starting your estate planning or updating your documents, this platform provides everything you need. Check out the link in the description for more details.